In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add audio and also use other functions if you want to stop the recording on any slide. So what is the correct procedure to do that? First of all, if I want to record audio, I will click on record audio button and then I will start this option and it will start recording my voice. Like if I'm saying that the polar bear is a large bear native to Arctic and nearby areas, it is closely related to the brown bear. And when I click on OK, it will stop the recording and it will show this icon. So if I play this one, and it will start recording my voice. Like if so, this recording, if I want to use this recording only on this slide and I want to stop this recording when I move on, when I do the slideshow. So first of all, if I go in the playback of the recording, in click sequence, I will choose automatically if I want to play it automatically and I want to hide this recording during the slideshow. I will click on this option, and if I want to play it across all the slides, the same recording, then I will click on this option. Otherwise, I will click on loop until stop because I want this recording to play it. And if I want to play across all sides, I will click on this option, but I don't want it. If you want to rewind after playing, you can select this option. But loop until stop is going to repeat the audio or video clip until it is stopped. So it is going to be repeated again and again when you're going to do the slideshow. So if you want to do that, you can select this one. And if you want to fade in and fade out your recording, you can select these options. This is for the volume of the recording. Now let me show you how you can stop this recording. When we go on the animations pane, we see it started after previous. So it doesn't matter if you choose on click, means you are going to clicking on it and then this recording will start. So we are not going to select it because when we are starting the slideshow, we normally want a recording to play instantly. So that's why we choose automatically over here. So we are not going to change that. But in animations pane, we are going to choose the effect options in order to stop playing when we click on this recording. So when we click on this button and press OK, it means that if we do the slideshow like this, and it will start recording my voice. So the recording like is automatically doing. But if I press the click option, it stops. So this helps when you want your recording to stop and you want to say something in the middle of something. So that's one thing of doing it. And if you have more slides, then again in instead of on click, you can choose after current slide or after how many slides you want this recording to pause. You can choose this option as well. And if you want to start playing the recording from beginning, from last position, from time, whatever time you set on your recording, you can do that. But if you want to stop playing your recording when you want it on the slideshow, just press on click and it will move on to the next slide and your next recording will start playing. For example, if I duplicate this slide and I have the same recording on the second slide, but this recording I'm not going to choose this option, like it start after the previous, or if I will choose start with previous, means this recording is going to start with the previous one. But in this recording, if I select a different option, like in effect options, I will not select on click and I will select after current slide. So it's going to be started after the current slide, which is this one. And this one settings we have set it to on click. So this is set to on click. So when you on click on this one, it will move on to the next slide and that slide will start. For example, if I play this one, and it will start recording my voice. So I click on it, it stops, and then again click on it, it moves on to the next slide. Let me show you with a different picture so it will be more easy. So we are going to insert a new stock image and a different recording for that. So we are going to add a different image in that. And once we inserted the image, I remove this sound and I'm going to insert a new sound in that. This is a beautiful landscape. Okay, now this is another sound. So this one I'm not going to choose on click. I will choose the playback option again automatically and loop until stop, hide during show, and then in effect options in the animation pane it says after crunch slide. So the crunch slide is the one with the polar bear, and I click on OK and I go on slideshow. Okay, I have to go in the first slide and then I click the slideshow and it will start recording my voice. Now I click it stop, again click. This is a beautiful landscape. Okay, this is a beautiful landscape. So it's repeated again and again because this is the thing I've said. So this is the best way if you want to record your audio in PowerPoint and you want to use your audio at different slides for different timings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create something different regarding PowerPoint, and subscribe me for more valuable content. Thank you.